Hello everyone, today we're going to look at a very short tutorial on CapCut, specifically how to reverse the speed of a clip so it plays backwards and create a video loop. It's actually very simple. First of all, duplicate the clip you want to play in reverse by holding down the Alt key and dragging the clip to an empty spot in the timeline. To avoid gaps in the sequence, make sure the magnet option on the right side is enabled. Now, to reverse the video speed, just click on the clip you want, then click on the icon on the left with the arrows, and finally click the reverse button. Wait a few seconds, and you're done. As you can see, if you press play where one clip meets another, at a certain point the animation will go back to the beginning. So if you duplicate these clips to reach the duration you want, for example, to create a dance loop for a music track, you can make an entire video from a single animation that repeats in a loop. If you found the video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.